Far in the north, Himalaya lifting high, his starry summits till they cleave the sky, spans the white land from east to western sea, Lord of the hills, instinct with deity. To the north, there is the sovereign of the mountains, the divine Himalaya, who after immersing himself in the waters of the ocean, in the east and the west, emerged and stands upright as the measure of the earth. In this very region of the Himalaya is situated the harbinger of hill culture, our beloved state of Himachal Pradesh. It is the land of the rishis, the soil of the Shakti Peeths. The majesty of its landscapes echoes the magnificence of Shiva's Rudraveena, and we discern the rhythm of Parvati's Lasya in the tinkle of innumerable anklet bells on dancing feet. Himachal Pradesh University is an esteemed institution of this perennially fresh, picturesque state. Shastre Shastre Cha Kaushalam is its motto, loving discipline and excellence its moral code, the nation its Godhead, an unceasing illumination with the radiant light of knowledge its unremitting tradition. If riches had been composed in later times, this university would surely have found mention in them. Himachal Pradesh University was established on 22nd July 1970 at the time when the Union Territory of Himachal was well on its way to statehood. It is not inconceivable to imagine the lofty aspirations of the new state with its difficult terrain brimming with youthful energy. Blessed is the visionary founder of this university, Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar, whose vision empowered it to meet the aspiration of the new state as also to give shape to higher dreams. Look not for me in the valleys, I am at the peak. I have left the misty trails far below my feet. I have steered the song chariot on the highway of light. I never paused and unwavering walked. Look not for me in the valleys, I am at the peak. Today, we are accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council as an A-grade university. This is the present sojourn in our journey. With our treasure of love, discipline, and excellence, we are moving along that eternal road of illumination whose end is the indomitable spirit of ceaseless endeavor. At present, the university is being ably led on the path of advancement by our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Sikandar Kumar.
Since its foundation in 1970, the Himachal Pradesh University has crossed several milestones in the 50 years of its history. In the light of the possibilities and challenges of higher education, the natural environment of Shimla is eminently suitable for higher studies, preparation of competitive exams and skill training, and in development of digital and vocal for local enterprises for self-reliance. I extend my best wishes to you and invite you to join Himachal Pradesh University for your academic pursuits.
The capital city of Shimla bears witness to the singular journey of Himachal Pradesh University. From modest beginnings, to lofty heights. The university has its origins in the Punjab University Evening College, then ensconced in the premises of Rana Padam Chandra Sanatan Dharma Bhargava College and the erstwhile PU Regional Centre, situated at Dingle Estate near Victory Tunnel, and Gandhi Bhavan and Manse on the Mall. In the days of its inception, MSc Physics and Chemistry classes were held during the day and other subjects were taught in the evening. Evening College, a multidisciplinary department of the university today, thus has the honor of being the premier institute of the university. In its early days, the university offered courses in Sanskrit, Hindi, English, political science, history, economics, agriculture, mathematics, commerce, business management, music, foreign languages, law, and education. Apart from Gandhi Bhavan, Manse, and Dingle Estate, classes were held in various small buildings in Avalodge, Chowda Maidan, Postgraduate Center, Summerhill, and Agro Center, Waloganj. This dispersed but beautiful setup required a modern campus with the latest facilities. The scenic suburb of Summerhill, situated at a distance of 5 kilometers from the heart of the town, was identified as ideal for the new campus. The historic Manaville, owned by Rajkumari Amrit Kaur and host to several iconic freedom fighters, is also located within the campus. This heritage property is now known by her name. Students from all across the country and abroad study in the 13 faculties of the university, which comprise 39 departments, 15 research centers, 3 institutes, and 5 active chairs. The Directorate for International Students' Welfare provides round-the-clock support to international students. The Centre for Canadian Studies and Australian and New Zealand Studies are area-specific research centres to promote international collaboration and learning. The university has also signed memoranda of understanding with various national and international institutions. In the light of the dictum, work together and grow together, the university is committed to the interest of the disadvantaged sections of society. The Pre-Examination Coaching Center provides free coaching to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes students to prepare for competitive examinations. The library is equipped with a talking software for the benefits of students with disabilities. In fact, the university leads the country in following the provisions made for the welfare of persons with disabilities. Girls and women students do not have to pay tuition fee from undergraduate classes to doctoral studies. Of the 14 hostels of the university, 10 are reserved for women students. 13 chairs have been created with the aim of preserving our national and cultural heritage. These include chairs named after Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, Shri Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Guru Nanak Dev, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Swami Vivekanand, Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, Rajiv Gandhi Panchayati Raj Adhyayan Peeth, Babu Jagjeevan Ram Samajik Samaveshan Adhyayan Peeth, Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Sanskrit Research Center, Nirmand. The Office of the Dean of Studies is dedicated to safeguard the interests of the students. The university follows the best national standards for the selection and appointment of teachers, and we have excellent faculty drawn from several universities of the country. The students of the university have made a mark for themselves nationally and globally with the able guidance of their learned teachers. Every year, 20% of the students qualify national tests such as CSIR, UGC, JRF NET, and SET examinations, in which the girl students outnumber the boys. The university extends full support to the students in their research work, projects, book publishing, and other academic pursuits. Dean Students' Welfare provides the facility of a placement cell and on-campus job interviews to the students. Deserving students are offered scholarships, and sports, academic, and cultural programs are regularly held for the holistic development of the students. About 8,000 students are enrolled in the various departments and institutes of the university at present. The university also grants affiliation to 300 colleges located all over the state, in which more than 300,000 students are pursuing their studies. The place we have reached today is burnished with the consistent good intentions of our far-sighted leaders, the endeavors of the luminous vice-chancellors, learned teachers, earnest students, and able administrative officers and employees. It is this energy that we employ to grow further as we seek to expand the university campus, create new departments, adopt advanced technology, improve sports facilities and soft skills, ink partnerships with international institutions, and file an increasing number of patents.
I am reminded of the time at the founding of the university when scholars from internationally renowned institutions readily responded to our call to teach here. Some of the distinguished faculty members relinquished their teaching position at universities such as Oxford and Wisconsin to join the Himachal Pradesh University. Bearing aloft the wellspring of this exceptional devotion, I invite the national and international community of students, scientists, researchers, and teachers, along with the people of Himachal, to join this unique seat of education. In the words of the Buddha, only accept my invitation to exceed or not is thereafter. The lamp is lit, come in, this edifice is yours, your inner self dwells here.
Placed amidst spellbinding natural beauty, our university is an inimitable center of learning. On our way is the Indian Institute of Advanced Study, a unique institution devoted to studies in humanities and social sciences, where scholars from every part of the world retreat to deeply reflect and write. Now, if it happens to be spring season, bright red rhododendron flowers will accord you an exuberant welcome, and you will know that you are approaching the university's Gyan Path. words of the Kulgeet, the university song, have been composed by the illustrious Sanskrit poet decorated with the Padma Shri, Abhiraj Rajendra Mishra. The Kulgeet is a meaningful and living expression of the university and has been sedulously set to stately music by Professor Ram Swarup Shandil. Now, you have entered the portals of the university and are treading on Gyanpath, the road to knowledge. This is the inner journey from light to light. Look to your right, and you will find a fine mural depicting the 12 zodiac signs with degrees measuring time in the arc of the sky. Discerning consciousness is present in the symbol of the swan. Machines are placed around the Mangal Kalash of auspicious prosperity and realization. Many departments of the university have their own libraries, but the Central Library enjoys a singular place among them. Its unique six-storied Jawahar Bhavan is modelled on India's first satellite, Aryabhat. This well-equipped library has a seating capacity for 1,000 readers and houses about 250,000 books and journals. The university faculties of medical sciences, Ayurveda, dental sciences, commerce and management, education, languages, law, life sciences, visual and performing arts, physical sciences, social sciences, engineering and technology, and environment development and sustainability studies are working at optimum capacity, along with the Centers for Women's Studies, Tribal Studies, Population Research, Agro Research, and the Multidisciplinary Regional Center.
Let us take a closer look at the various departments of the university. The university campus is spread over 241.11 bighas, in which higher education is being imparted in buildings equipped with modern amenities. Himachal Pradesh University provides world-class education through the several courses in its departments. Faculty of Commerce and Management. The Department of Commerce, Business School, and Vocational Studies are part of the Commerce and Management faculty. All three departments teach courses that are in step with the financial context of our age. Faculty of Education. Department of Education and Department of Physical Education comprise the Faculty of Education that runs several sought-after undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Faculty of Languages. There are 5 departments in the Faculty of Languages, namely Hindi, Sanskrit, English, Center for Buddhist Studies, Modern European and Foreign Languages. These departments are not limited only to the dialogue of languages, but are also centers of composite culture and linguistic unity and diversity. Faculty of Performing and Visual Arts. 2 departments comprise the Faculty of Performing and Visual Arts, where, on the one side, sweet melodies from the performing arts imbue the air, and on the other, the Visual Arts Department ornaments the university and the city with its artwork. Faculty of Social Sciences. The largest faculty of social sciences has 9 disciplines: economics, journalism and mass communication, yoga studies, political science, public administration, history, psychology, sociology, and lifelong learning. The departments focus on researches that have significant impact on policy making and socio-cultural changes. Faculty of Law. The law departments at Postgraduate Center, Regional Center Dharamshala, and University Institute of Legal Studies function within the Faculty of Law.
where the University College of Business Studies and the University Institute of Legal Studies stand. In earlier times, when the state of Himachal Pradesh came into being, this campus housed the State Secretariat and the Chief Minister's residence.
In addition, there are 6 private colleges of legal studies under the faculty. The faculty has yielded several justices who have ascended to the highest echelons of judiciary in the country. Faculty of Life Sciences. Faculty of Life Sciences is made up of 2 illustrious departments of Biosciences and Biotechnology, which are widely known for their innovative research and scrupulous scientific ethics. Faculty of Physical Sciences. The departments of Chemistry, Physics, Mathematics and Statics, Computer Sciences, and Geography are included in the Faculty of Physical Sciences, which provide contemporaneous education and extensive exposure. Professor M.B. Banerjee of Department of Maths has had the distinction of having been conferred with the prestigious Dr. Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar Award. Faculty of Engineering and Technology. The Faculty of Engineering and Technology comprises the departments of Information Technology and Communication, Computer Sciences, Civil Engineering, Electric Engineering and Electronics. The department attracts students from all over India due to their state-of-the-art facilities and curricula responsive to the departments of the industry and modern times. All the departments in the science faculties are known for their academic integrity and equipment which measure up with the global standards. Faculty of Environment Development and Sustainability Studies. Department of Interdisciplinary Studies began as the UGC Institute of Integrated Himalayan Studies. It focuses on emerging areas of action-oriented and development research in the ecosphere and society of the Himalaya. UGC Human Resource Development Center. The Human Resource Development Center is valued among academics around the country for its rigorous orientation and refresher courses. It is extremely popular with teachers from higher education institutions eager to come here to be trained. International Center for Distance Education and Open Learning. Each year, about 8,500 students earn their degrees and postgraduate diplomas from the International Center for Distance Education and Open Learning. It has the pride of launching postgraduate classes through the distance mode in the country. New departments. In the 50th year of its foundation, the university has added 4 new departments to meet the demands of the time. These are the departments of Defense Studies, Microbiology, Environmental Sciences, and Library Science. Directorate of Physical Education and Youth Programs. The Directorate of Physical Education and Youth Programs takes the responsibility of organizing sports and cultural activities of the university. It also organizes the inter-college and inter-university youth festivals and sports competitions.
The university campus provides the facility of a bank, post office, teaching and non-teaching residences, guest house, canteen, health center, gymnasium, auditorium, model school, creche, and computer centers. Besides its own security arrangements, the university also provides transport facility. A fleet of buses, evocatively named Airavat, Nandi, Chaitanya, Pushpak, Neela, and Alaknanda, join the city and the campus all day. One can easily reach the university on reaching Shimla by means of the World Heritage Rail, road, or air. The alumni of the university make their alma mater proud by excelling in their several chosen fields such as education, politics, sports, administration, and law in the country and abroad. Shri Hamid Karzai, former president of Afghanistan, is an eminent alumnus of the university. Honorable dignitaries, including the former president, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, the President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind, spiritual guru, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India, Shri T.S. Thakur, former Chief Election Commissioner of India, Dr. S.Y. Qureshi, the Minister of Education in the Union Government, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, have dignified the convocation ceremonies of the university with their august presence. It is said that time has one foot in tradition and the other on the path of progress. In step with time, Himachal Pradesh University is steadfastly advancing on novel paths in tandem with its glorious tradition. The university community thus greets all humanity and its fellow travelers on the creative path. Give melody a new voice. Give language a new sign. In sculpting the new age, be creative as creation itself.